guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia. If this is your first time visiting my channel, with the Halloween approaching, I decided to make a cute little snack for the kids, for daycare kids and for my kids for Halloween. Wait, it's a little bit before Halloween, but they're called Monster Oatmeal Chocolate Chip Cookie Bars. They trying to make them a touch on the healthier side. The amount of sugar that goes in here, I wouldn't consider them on a healthier side, but they do have some healthier ingredients in them. So you will need some old-fashioned oats, all-purpose flour, sugar, brown sugar and white sugar, baking soda, salt, canola oil, large eggs, 2 vanilla extract, chocolate chips. I do not have any, so I am just going to chop up some of this chocolate, and then also the Reese's Pieces or M&Ms, and I am just going to use some of my M&Ms that I have on hand. So it is a little bit loud here, but because they're all watching me make this for them. So the first thing that I did was I turned my oven on to 350. And now I am going to line my baking sheet with parchment paper. Set that aside, and then I'm going to mix all my ingredients except the chocolates and M&Ms in this bowl. So I need 2 cups of flour. And I don't know if I mentioned, I will link the recipe in the description box. That I'm going to add 2.5 cups of old-fashioned oats. Then I need a cup of brown sugar and half a cup of white sugar. Of salt, 2 large eggs, some vanilla extract, and a cup of canola oil. Now you can replace this with coconut oil or even applesauce. And also some baking soda, a teaspoon. So I'm gonna give this a little mix, and then I'm going to add chocolate chips and the M&Ms. And I'm going to break these in here. There's another mix. Okay, so that's done. I am going to press it into the baking dish. And I'm going to sprinkle the other M&Ms on it. There we go, and now it goes into the oven for 18 to 20 minutes. Here it is all finished. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great day.